Hello friends, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Subscribe our channel for regular dictations on daily basis. Get ready. Start. India's security environment continued to be influenced by developments in our immediate neighborhood, where rising instability remains a matter of deep concern. Global attention is shifting to the subcontinent for a variety of reasons, ranging from fast track economic growth, growing population and markets, the untapped socio-economic potential of the region, and the growing energy consumption levels. Alongside, some countries in the region have come to be the fountainhead of terrorism, thus inviting close attention of the world. The interests and presence of major powers in this region, coupled with the relative instability in our immediate neighborhood, are a matter of concern to India. India's rapidly growing economy, relative size, and strategic location in the region thus brings the country into prominence in the world's geopolitics. India nevertheless remains committed to peace and stability in the region, which are fundamental for the continued economic development and prosperity of its people. The preceding year witnessed a series of developments which impinge directly on India's security environment. These include the deteriorating situation in Pakistan and the continued unrest in Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. Stability and peace in West Asia and the Gulf, which host several million people of Indian origin and which is the primary source of India's energy supplies, is of continuing importance to India. The continuing threat posed by global terrorism underlines the importance of the need to devise cooperative efforts at a global level between and among states. There has been a marked deterioration in the internal situation of Pakistan, which has serious implications on overall stability and peace in the region. The assassination of former Prime Minister Ms. Benazir Bhutto was a setback to the forces of political moderation. The growth of extremist violence and terrorism in Pakistan has serious security implications for India. India wishes to create an atmosphere of trust and confidence free from violence and terror in our bilateral relations with Pakistan and is working on various confidence building measures with our close neighbor. China is an important player in global affairs and is proceeding ahead with her well charted out goals in a focused manner. China has been improving bilateral relations with her neighboring countries at diplomatic, economic, and military levels. In attempting to resolve the long outstanding border disputes, we are following a policy of constructive engagement. Nepal is a natural ally of India and we share many common values and beliefs and also share an open border with Nepal. The political situation in Nepal has undergone a major change in recent years and it is hoped that the situation should stabilize soon, as instability in the region often has a spillover factor into our country. Further, many citizens of Nepal serve in the Indian Army and have strong traditional people to people ties with Nepal. India will provide assistance within her means required by Nepal to rehabilitate the socio-economic and political fabric of Nepal. We have recently seen an increase in violence, tension, and conflict in Sri Lanka. We strongly believe that there is no military solution. What is required is a settlement of the political, constitutional, and other issues within the framework of a united Sri Lanka which addresses the concerns of all communities, especially the ethnic minority.